Today we are going to shop for my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, birthday girl.
Of when she cannot make a decision, she just
Happy birthday.
Did you buy this one
Hello?
Yeah, I'll get
Is it your shopping spree birthday?
for me and Ate Keisha.
What's that? Can I see? Okay.
Me and Ate Keisha.
Ah, that's cute, oh.
Oh my God, this. What?
That's a lip gloss. Ito, anak ko. Lip gloss. Lip gloss yan, oh.
Oh my God. Wait, I wanna see if I'm not anything.
You can get Asha as well.
Oh, these other guys. I don't understand.
What? The price?
Yeah.
No, you don't need to understand the price. I'm gonna pay. Hey, what is that for? Ha? Sige ko lang.
It's for our lips.
Ikaw, may lips ka ba? Nezuko? May lips ka, Nezuko?
I have conquered the sun.
You have conquered the sun?
You know I had to wear goggles. I
Why?
don't which one?
What? Is that the reason?
Yes.
Okay.
I could do some.
Look, oh. So small.
It's so small. Oh, we're in baby section.
Where are you going?
Because we're in the baby section.
Wait, sama natin sila. You don't know what you're
get
buying?
something Lego. Wait, display me? There's a display me. Look at this. We're not in the same time. What idea. There's white on this.
Yeah. Oh. I don't have panyo, anak.
Going.
I don't know where you're going. Up mo.
Look up.
What? What's this?
I don't know.
What? It's jumbo.
That's cute.
It's the jumbo one. I don't want a jumbo. I don't want a jumbo one. It's still big. It's like the size of my hand.
What?
Me acting like I'm not that. The camera sounds just I like the sound of your family.
Hala na sa buhok mo. Hi, Chibiusa.
I wanna see what this is. Chibiusa.
What are you looking at?
This. This is so good. It ended up to glittery because I put all the toppings and stuff. I put all the toppings and it went.
So, parang nagdala tayong suklayan. Ano?
It went crazy. It's super big. So big. Oi, Ryan scored. There's headphones. Follow my voice.
Follow my voice.
Follow my voice. Look at this. It's so big. So big. Like literally.
Don't want Lego?
Dog?
Walang Tagalog. Tagalog yung voice over mo.
Oh, okay. Wait, look, the family in chairs. Oh my god, this is good.
Yeah, if you want, you get it.
I don't even know how much it is.
That's okay. I got you, girl. Nagamo kaya nung ano, yung gabis na walang tao. Baka kailangan mong bilhin yung maliit. Double check yung kung anong laman.
No, it's because you can get the other ones and decorate it. Pure and
Oh.
empty. Go for two.
Oh, baka walang tao. Get the tao.
Let's see. Hey, someone help me. Someone.
Ayan na, na-addict na sa Silviana's family.
Addict na.
Okay.
Go. Add to cart.
At the cart. Let me see.
Ito yung tao, ate. Oh, there's the bunnies.
And come here.
Yan.
Come here.
Tak. You can get this one.
It's a kid.
Ito, may baby siya.
Weird. Ang cute.
But then we need a bigger table.
Oh, ito.
Nag-contemplate na siya.
Ito ba different? Ito, kunin mo nga ito.
Can I get a family chair?
Yeah.
Family table chair. Sorry, Mama. This is
Oh, magbayad ka na. Too much na nga.
Okay, let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there.
Ang cute naman ito. What's this?
Yeah, I don't like it.
The slimes.
What is this?
Okay ka na? We get something for you. It's also your birthday. Di ba? Pag birthday ng isa, birthday ng lahat.
Yes, I know that.
That's cute, oh, the slime.
I like this.
This slime is cute.
But I don't want to DIY slime. Boba slime.
Add to cart.
Add to cart. Literal na add to cart.
Add to cart. Birthday! Cappuccino!
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's my birthday. That's why it's
Mga isa lang talaga yung gusto niya.
Maka, what's yours? It's also your birthday. Birthday ng isa, birthday ng lahat. Oh, that's nice, oh.
For the
You get one. Sige na. Malcolm, it's your chance to shine. Oh, you don't like anything?
left. Gone. Few seconds left na. Joke lang. Why is the...
Ganda mo naman, girl.
Me holding this.
Can I see you? Look ka nga sa akin. Ganda mo. Ganda mo naman, girl. Star Wars. Are you a Star Wars fan?
I thought that was
What do you like? How about the chrysanthemum, ano? Ay, ano? The chrysanthemum. The chrysanthemum. You pick na.
Minecraft. Absolutely. Minecraft more. More Minecraft.
Yeah, Lego Minecraft.
Super Mario.
May bibiling ka pa ba? Kung ano, magbayad ka na.
Papa, what is Malcolm?
Ikaw, Malcolm, ito, nice to.
Yes. What is this one? Follow Malcolm here.
Ha? Ano yan, Minecraft?
Why is it so big? Katsu. I had one like
Want it? Okay, you get it if you want.
oh, lava chicken. These.
Yan na, Minecraft. Asha. Steve.
Ah! That's cute! You want it? Papahelp ka kay daddy magbuo.
Don't assemble it until you know you can assemble it. Check it first.
9 plus.
So, let's pay na. Sige na.
Atay bago mo. Kani ma'am.
Ay, Asha,
Ay, anak si Angel, oh!
Oh.
Budol.
At iyan ang palit pa rin yan.
Ah. Ah, mas gusto mo si Angel?
Papakita mo yung mga ano.
Okay.
Eh, mga napili niyo.
Magkapati ka sa'yo? Are you sure with that? Not the Mario?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Mas maganda yung Mario. Sure ka na dyan? Oh, you check again. Sige. If it's the Mario or that. You pick. Ha? Or Spider-Man na lang. Wala ba Spider-Man na Lego? The one you liked last time. Minecraft.
No, this there was something else. No.
Oh, gusto mo talaga yan? O, sige, yan na. Yan yung gusto mo kahapon eh. Kaya na. Okay, sige. O, let's go now. Let's pay.
Okay, you pay. I will stay here.
Ano ba to? Crafting table?
I will give.
Okay, sige. Let's go na. Let's pay.
Hey, tapos
Ay, Anika, ang ganda nun. Pampasalamat. Teka nga. Pwede nga tayo pampasalamat. Parang may mga gown din dito. Anika. Asan yung nandun sa mannequin?
dito nga.
Go, go, go. You pick.
Ay, nabenta na pala. Yun, ma'am.
Wala na?
What size, ma'am?
8.
Ah, check ko muna dun, ma'am.
Wala na stock yan?
Meron na. Check ko muna.
Oh, sige. Oh, 8. Asha, sa'yo? Palaw kayo ni ate?
Kunin ko.
That's nice. How about red na lang kay Asha? This is nice. Haba ba?
Check ulit ko muna.
Labas mo na lang.
Lilikod mo.
Sakto lang na Ano? May 7 ba?
6, ma'am.
Ah,
Ay, wait mo. Gold pala.
12 yan. Kaya malaki. Dalawang size 8. Okay na yung 8. Dalawang 8. Sophia! Naku, hindi makasalita. Oh, dalhin mo na yung shinap mo. Dala ni Daddy. Bigat. Where do you wanna eat? Ha? Turn right, turn right, turn right. Turn right, guys. Turn right. Oh, that's cute. Malcolm, look at the dog. Malcolm, look at the dog. Ah. Hala, layo na ng mga kapatid mo. Ha?
Your other song.
What? Ha?
Kawawa.
You're so kawawa. Because it's your birthday. Everything you want.
Eh,
Oh, dali. Ayan o, with Daiso.
Mama. Mama.
What?
Because there was a Spider-Man 1 and then I'm already in Spider-Man 2 and then,
Oh.
then I didn't do Spider-Man 1 and then I already finished the main story. Look at this. For the straw. Can we?
Spider-Man's game?
It's Spider-Man. I really don't know what's inside.
Bola. I love you. Pati nga itsura. Pati nga itsura. Ako po itsura. Kawawa.
Get the basket, anak.
Ah, that's cute, Asha. It's pink.
Oh, can we look at the side first?
Okay.
So small.
Oh, galing ako. Naku po, nagtigisa pa. Alam mo naman kadami ng bibili nyo.
No, she put her up.
Hey, be careful ha.
I think we should.
Hey, just get something that you want.
Wag na po, anak. Papadeliver na lang tayo. Huwag ba, bibigat ako.
Bye, bye. Bye.
Hey, be careful ha. May ano dyan. Asha, be careful.
Let's do this. I'm just gonna get these. I'm so good at tennis. I'm so good. Please hold my hand and we'll say go this way because I don't know.
Huwag ka na anak, magdalawa kasi ng cart. Oh, let's pay na so we can eat.
No.
Stickers lang kinuha mo?
Yeah.
It's sale, kaya bumili ka.
Hey, buy everything in this store.
Si Mall.
Diba? She said I have to buy everything.
Just get sale items para masaya. Hi. Sorry, ba? Ay, bawal?
Looking mo na, you sing happy birthday. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ano sabihin mo kay ate? Ano sabihin mo kay ate? Ano will you say to ate?
Like it? Put down the flower first. Okay na.
Pakita mo dito, Anika. Isha, what will you say to ate? Ano sabihin mo kay ate?
Happy birthday, Ate!
Oh, ASMR. Neso ko may iPad. Binabo. Pakita mo dito.
Grab all fun, no? Ay, ano yun? Naka-screen protector niya.
What will you say, Anika?
Dapat ipatak mo.
Mamaya.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome, baby.
Very good.
Ayaw mo pa?
Hey,
I told you not to talk.
Again. Hey. Ilate? Ikot tumama kami.